Hello everyone. In this exercise or SolidWorks, we will understand the selection methods of the sketches in SolidWorks. Let's start. File, New, Part, and OK. Okay. This is the SolidWorks user interface, plain white, and unit system I am taking millimeter gram second. In this exercise, we will understand how we select the sketches in the SolidWorks. Suppose I draw some sketches. Circle, top plane, this one. I am drawing certain circles here. One is this one, another this one. I am not giving any dimension. This one, and this also. Suppose, okay, out of the sketch. Suppose I click in the graphic area, this one. Press left mouse button and drag it. This one, selection tool, right click on the graphic area, selection tool. There are the two types of selection: box selection, LESSO selection. I am selecting box selection. Okay, this is normally default available. Okay, if I click in the graphic area anywhere and press left mouse button and drag to the right, this window comes blue window. Okay, and release the left mouse button. Okay, if I press left mouse button and hold it and drag from right to left, you will see that this green window. So there is a difference between, what is the difference between this blue window and the green window? I explain you. Okay, suppose I in open space, I press my left mouse button, this left mouse button, and drag, and this one and this one in this way. You will see this. You will see the two circles are coming in the window, and third is the partially is coming in this window. If I release my my left mouse button, you will see what will happen. You will see this one. It means the sketches which are completely coming in the region, they are selected, but this is not selected. Okay, now suppose I click in the open area, in the graphic area, and press left mouse button, hold it and drag it. This one, sorry, this, and drag it. Left mouse button, hold it and drag it. This one. You will see the two sketches are completely coming in this green window, and one is partially selected. This one. One is partially coming and two is completely selected. If I release my left mouse button, what will happen? You will see all the three are selected. It means in right hand selection, right to left selection, the entity which are partially and fully comes in the region, they are selected. While in the case of, suppose I click and from left to right, this one, this one, this one, two are coming fully, two are completely coming this window, and one is partially coming. It means I release my left mouse button, what will happen? This one. It means in left to right window, the sketches which are partially comes under window, that are not selected. While in the case of from right to left, you will see the item which are two circles are coming fully and one is coming partially, but you will see all the three are selected. This one. This right to left window is very useful, while the space is very limited, so they can use for selection purpose best. Okay, I take another example. Suppose I take this line, and this line, and this line. Okay, exit. I'm not dimensioning. I am we are I'm explaining only the selection of the sketches. In best as per situation, you can use both the type of selection method. One is left to right selection and another is the right to left selection. In the left to right selection, just click in the open area and press left mouse button and drag it. You will see two lines completely comes under blue region and one is partially coming. It means if I release my left mouse button, what will happen? You will see. It means two partially which are coming are not selected. Only the the lines which are completely coming under this region, these are selected. Okay. Suppose I take from left to right to left. I click in the open area and press left mouse button and drag it from right to left. This green window comes. If you see this one, you will see two lines are completely coming and one is partially coming. It means I release my mouse button, what will happen? In this, the three are selected. In right to left, the partially and completely sketches comes under the window that are selected. So this is the basic difference of this one. One is another method of selection which is less used. Suppose I click in the graphic area and right click selection tool. One is the LESSO selection. In this way, suppose I click and you will see this. If you rotate it, this window comes here. This and rotate. I'm rotating this one. So you will see in blue region, one line is completely coming, one is partially coming. So only one line is selected, same as in box type window. Suppose I click anywhere and rotate and drag it anti-clockwise, you will see. It means in green window you will see one line is completely selected, another partially selected. If I release my left mouse button, you will see what happened. You will see both are selected as in the right to left selection. In this way, you can use the selection method as per your requirement, as per the space in the sketches. So in this way, you can use this method. This LESSO selection is used only when the space is complicated shapes of the tool selection for this one. Okay, and right click if you open in the graphic area and selection tool. Normally default is the box selection is available. Okay, I am clicking this one. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like and share and subscribe this channel. You please subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.